Hi friends, let me show you this new SUPFINE case for my iPhone. It is compatible either for iPhone 13 or 14, the basic version, not the big ones. It's important that it is MagSafe compatible, magnetic compatible, so you can charge your phone with the case installed or use all kind of supports that work with the MagSafe system. Okay, let me show you. There it is. Fits perfectly. As you can see, the lenses for the cameras are really protected with a good gap from the edge of the case. And as I tell you, it works perfectly with the MagSafe system. I'm going to show you in my car and in my home's charger how it works.
Here I want to show you how I can use my case with the MagSafe magnetic ring here in my room charger. It will connect perfectly. Okay, as you can see, it stays there firmly, okay, and it's charging, okay, and when I put it in the vase, it will charge, okay. So great for the charging station, it stays there. Let's try it in my car. Let me show you another way that the case will help you with this magnetic MagSafe circle here. This holder for my car will get the phone really strongly. The magnet is really strong, as you can see. The phone will stay in its place. So this accessory not only helps you to charge the phone, but to put it in any magnetic holder like this one, okay? Also, you can use it in this kind of wireless chargers. This is not a magnetic one, so it won't get a magnetic hold. You can move it around, but when you place it as it should be, it will charge the phone through the case, okay? So I think it's a great option, and you can choose different sizes. This is for my iPhone 13, regular one, and it works great. Really strong magnetic grip and easy wireless charging for the MagSafe system. Thank you.